Standing water causes lawn damage, foundation damage, erosion, kills plants, invites mosquitoes, and is generally annoying. Fix it all with proper drainage. Dwayne Smith here, your Sprinkler Warehouse product specialist. Let's talk about the parts of a drainage system. Installing a drainage system is an expense and it's a lot of work, but it's a lot cheaper and easier than fixing all the damage caused by standing water around your house and in your landscape. Let's talk about a few of the major parts of a drainage system. Catch basins are small reservoirs that collect water runoff and are connected to drainage tubing to send water away from problem areas. Catch basins catch debris to prevent clogging of drainage tubing and to prevent sending unwanted debris into your city's stormwater management system. Catch basins can be located most places that water might collect, such as the base of a downspout or low spots in the yard, patio, or flower beds. Catch basins can have flat grates or atrium style. Flat grates prevent tripping and should be used anywhere that foot traffic may occur. Atrium-style grates are perfect for flower beds where a flat grate would get quickly covered by mulch or leaves, preventing the catch basin from doing its job. Drainage tubing connects to catch basins and channel drains to direct water to a more suitable discharge area. Drainage tubing can be flexible or non-flexible. The tubing is perforated to allow water to enter the tubing if the ground is waterlogged, or exit the tubing to distribute water into the soil. Pop-up valves are placed at a discharge point of a drainage pipe to allow water to exit when the tubing is under pressure from draining water. It remains closed when not under pressure to prevent critters from trying to make a home in your drainage system. Channel drains aid with drainage for hardscape areas like sidewalks, driveways, and patios. They prevent water from standing on your hardscape and channel the water away to a discharge area. Connectors. In addition to all the other parts mentioned, Sprinkler Warehouse also carries all the connectors to attach all these pieces together. Shop Sprinkler Warehouse today for all your drainage needs.